We have been on an insurance policy for the past 2 years, and by the grace of God, we haven't made any claim yet, and we are still paying. It's quite some money. We are still paying. I mean, you don't know tomorrow. You don't know what tomorrow holds. Claims are made on the particular policy you find yourself on. The moment you think commercial, you have to think insurance. Now, you cannot be involved in a commercial farming and not have an insurance policy. It's a no-go area. It's a complete risk. Now, what the insurance does is that it helps mitigate your losses if there is an unfortunate circumstance. If you are into commercial snail farming, please, I would advise you that you try and get an insurance policy for yourself. Hello, it's a good afternoon to you, our lovely viewers. This is snailry-gh. I'm back again to your screens with another update, and as always, this video will be very brief and short. Today, I want us to look at a very important topic which has to do with insurance. And I'm not here to do the bidding of any insurance company. I repeat, I'm not here to do the bidding of any insurance company, but I want to suggest and I want to create the awareness to let people know that if you are into commercial farming, not necessarily snow farming, there is always a package for you in the form of insurance from different insurance companies. You just have to find them, you just have to get them. If you are into crop farming, you are into snow farming, you are into catfish, you are into piggery, whatever farming you happen to be in. The moment you think commercial, you have to think insurance. Now, you cannot be involved in a commercial farming and not have an insurance policy. It's a no-go area. It's a complete risk. So you can let the insurance company know what system you have and the money involved in setting up the system or putting the system up, and you can negotiate with them. They can draw a customized policy for you. Normally, sometimes they have basic, so there's a basic price that you have to pay regardless the service you would want. But they have add-ons that cover certain things. They have add-ons that even cover your livestock. They have add-ons that cover your workers. They have add-ons that cover even customers or clients who come to your farm and some way somehow they have injuries or they find themselves in a difficult situation in terms of your set. So let's say a client comes to your farm and for some reasons maybe they are peeled bananas or something on the floor, and the person steps on it and the person slides on the ground and injures himself. There's an insurance policy that covers the person who has visited your farm. So it covers a bit of injuries. I mean, it's all add-ons that you can pay. So you just have to make sure that you are getting what you want and the cover is covering exactly what you want. So I'm just trying to create the awareness for people to know that the moment you think commercial snail farming, you need to think about insurance. You cannot be doing commercial snail farming or commercial farming without insurance. Look, the worst can happen. Just like you do insurance for your car, insurance is something that you have to pick up if you are doing commercial snail farming. If you are doing something small, then insurance is not necessary. You would be wasting money if you go for insurance. But if you are doing it on sorry, if you are doing it on a large scale, trust me, you need an insurance policy. No one is saying that the worst would happen, or no one is saying that the worst would happen, but trust me, everything can happen. So insurance coming in, it's only going to cushion you in the unlikely event. So insurance is something that you cannot do without if you are looking at going commercial. Normally it's a payment per year, so I can say that some can be as low as 400 or 500 or 600 cedis the whole year. for the whole year. Some can even be as high as 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depending on what you really want, depending on the nature of your farm, depending on the risk involved, and how you want your cover to be like. So this is a personal decision, and you would want to get an insurance cover. We have an insurance cover, and it covers certain things and it leaves certain things. So I mean, it's a personal choice. We don't want to get the insurance covering everything because of the huge sums of money involved. So we have the cover to a point. So you can go in for an insurance policy and make sure that at least the insurance policy covers you to certain extent. The moment you decide to go off the insurance, that is the time you would have issues. You just cannot tell. I'm only encouraging all of you here to get insurance policies from different insurance companies, compare the prices, and stick to one. I mean, there is always a package for you no matter what you do. If you are doing it on a very small scale, then there is no need for an insurance policy because you would be wasting money. But you understand? But if you are doing it on a very large scale, then for sure you need an insurance policy. You understand? So I will encourage you all to get insurance policies if you are doing a large scale. It's not only snow farming, any type of farming, whether you are in crop farming, whether you are into catfish, whether you are into piggery, whether you are into whatever. I mean, any form of farming that you find yourself in, I want to use this opportunity to encourage you to get an insurance policy because, I mean, no one can tell what tomorrow holds. It's only a form of cushion for you, and it goes a long way to help you. So, in as much as we all want the best for ourselves, you also have to think about I mean, other things as well. So I will encourage you. I'm not going to mention any insurance company. I'm not doing the bidding of any insurance company. Just go online, search insurance companies. You can go to ministry. I mean, just do your own follow-ups and get an insurance policy and stick to it. I mean, this would go a long way to help you in the case of any unforeseen circumstances. So till I come your way another time, it's a bye bye from us all.